Hi everyone. The other day my Oculus Rift dev kit finally got here. Living in Australia is awesome, but sometimes when it comes to ordering exotic hardware, I think we get put to the bottom of the list sometimes. But it's finally here. It's a rainy afternoon here, so I finally had time to code up the integration into my test demo here. I'm trying to move around really slow because I know when you're viewing someone else's video on a headset, it can be really vomit inducing. I get car sick quite easily, and the first time I put on the Rift, I felt so sick. I'm getting more used to it now, but I find any sudden movements makes me feel really sick. Yeah, anyway, the integration was quite simple. I already had stereoscopic rendering working in this demo, so adding Rift support was basically just setting up the warp and you set up the projection matrices for each eye a little bit different, but it's really easy, and the SDK has good examples, so yeah, it was easy. The frame rate I get in this demo is normally above 200 frames a second. It's just the capture software that's slowing it down. I always have to point that out. Yeah, the other thing I should point out too, this environment was never modeled with VR in mind. Like, it was modeled for like a parkour style demo, so everything you can see, like you'd have to jump everywhere. Like you couldn't really navigate easily. This is why I've got the like free cam set up, but I would like to implement some sort of more player control so you can just walk around this environment. But yeah, navigating could be tricky because anytime any other demo where I jump, I feel really sick, but that's probably just me. But yeah, some of these things are a bit wacky scale because, yeah, obviously in a normal game you don't have to worry about this stuff, but when you're in the world, it's very different. Yeah, I'm going to try and get this demo up and available for people with kits to run and play with themselves. A lot of the code at the moment for the Rift support is just hacked in. Like, I only support the A cup lenses. I need to support the other lenses and things like that. But as soon as I get time, I'll get that in. The other thing, all the textures are just sitting on my hard drive. So if anyone wanted to run this, they'd have like thousands of files on their hard drive. So I need to sort that out. Non-Rift stuff, I've like ripped out and changed how I do all my texture loading and streaming. It's a lot more thread friendly now. I've implemented DXT1 compression. It's a shame what DXT1 does to your textures. I was so used to viewing just raw TGAs, but the speed they load in and the space they take up on disk, it's sort of a no-brainer. I did play around with PNG files, but the loader I used wasn't thread safe, and I was like, oh, why am I bothered going to fix this? I might as well just implement DXT1. Yeah, anyway, I'll try and get this up for people with dev kits so they can try it for themselves as soon as I can. But yeah, so far loving the Oculus. Like, anyway, thanks for watching this. Yeah, see you next time.